Today we are going to discuss about parallel lines. So what is parallel lines? Parallel line means when two lines are not intersect each other, they are going extremely but they are not intersect each other. This is called parallel lines. See that these two lines are there. These are two lines. Similarly, I am drawing here these two lines. Now, which one is parallel lines? This one or this one? If we extend it, see that this will intersect to each other. That means this is not a parallel line. But if we extend this one, this is going ahead but not touch together. So this is called parallel lines. So if you write 11 in mathematically, that means this is parallel line. Okay, so 11 is the sign of the parallel line. Now go to the transversal. See that a line which intersect two or more lines in a plane at different points is called transversal. Now see that here AB and CD are two lines and one line PQ is intersect the two lines. So that means this is a transversal here. So now the angles made here 1, 2, 3, 4 in the firstly, and secondly this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. The four angles are signify here. So now we are introducing new angle denominations here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you write the angle denomination like this is also very good for your exam. So see that in this figure 8 angles are there. In the 8 angles, now we are introducing different type of angles. This is interior angles, co-interior angles, exterior angles, alternate angles, corresponding angles. Now one by one I am seeing you which one is interior, which one is corresponding, which one is alternate, etc. etc. See properly, and this is very important part in your class and so on in this up to class 11-12. So see that here interior means the inside. Okay, interior means inside. So in the figure interior means these four angles are interior 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Now co-interior means the pair of the interior angles that fall on the same side of the transversal is called co-interior angle. That means 4 and 5 are co-interior angles, and similarly 3 and 6 are co-interior angles. Next, exterior angles. So what is the exterior here? 1, 2 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. So the line segment, in the line segment PQ or QP, 1, 2 and 7, 8 are the exterior angles. Now alternate angles. This is a very important thing. Alternate angles. What is the alternate angles? 3 and 5 are alternate angles. Similarly 4, 6 alternate angle. 1, 7 alternate angle. 2, 8 alternate angle. Okay. Now corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means 1, 5 corresponding angle. 2, 6 corresponding angle, 4, 8 corresponding angle, 3 and 7 are corresponding angle. See properly. These angle abbreviations are very important. Now we are going to the next part. That is, some properties are given in this exercise. In number 1 property, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, alternate angles are equal. That means if two parallel lines are intersect, then this equals to this. Okay. If two parallel lines are intersect to each other, then we can say that this equals to this or this angle equals to this angle. Okay. In this angles form, we can use 1, 2 here. If you not write the AOP or BOP like that, we can use angle 1 equals to angle 2. Or here, if you write 3 and this is 4, that means you can write 3 equals to 4. This also you can done. Next property, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then corresponding angles are equal. That means same type of property this is. So if this is the two lines are there, one transversal is drawn. So that means this angle equals to this angle. If you want to, you can abbreviate this. We can write 1 equals to 2. So 1 equals to 2 is a corresponding angle here. Next is the two parallel lines are intersect to each other by a transversal, then the interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. That means if we draw like that and if we add this angle plus this angle 1, 2, then we can write 1 plus 2 equals to 180 degree. If any one angle is given, suppose this angle equals to given 100 degree. This angle is given 100 degree, then you have to find this one. So if we write here, this is angle 1, it's angle 2, then you have to find the angle 2. So in the position of the angle 1, you can write here 100 degree, okay. If you write 100 degree here, then we are finding angle 2 equals to 80 degree. 180 minus 100. This is 80 degree, okay. So this angle plus this angle equals to 180. Okay, this is property 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So 3 property will be there. The alternate angle are equal, corresponding angle are equal, and then interior addition is 180 degree. Now go to the exercise. See that in the given figure, L, M are two lines and N is the transversal of the lines. Now you have to write the angles are alternate, angles are corresponding as on co-interior. What is this? Some angles are given, angle 4 and 7. In number 1, see that angle 4 and 7 from a pair of this angle. So angle 4 and 7, this is alternate angle. So number 1, angle 4 and angle 7 alternate angles. In number 2, see that angle 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are co-interior angles. So angle 4 and angle 5 co-interior angles. Now angle 3, so number 3, 2 and 6. So 2 and 6, see that 2 and 6. So 2, this is 2 and this is 6. So what is this? This is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, okay. So these are the corresponding angles, 2 and 6. So this type of question are coming in the exam. So you have to configure this, which angle denote this, okay. Now, go to the next one. In number 3, see that you have to write the value of the x. Given L and M are parallel lines and N is the transversal here. Now, this angle is given 105. You have to find the value of x. In the figure, you see that these two angles are alternate angles, right? No, this is corresponding angles. Okay, this is corresponding angle. See that? This one and this one. So this is, if we write this one is angle 1, this is angle 2, then we can write here. I am writing here this is angle 1 and this is also angle 2. So if we write angle 1 and angle 2, so this angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? Because alternate angles. So if alternate angles, that means 1 equals to 2. That means this equals to also 105 degree. Okay. Now, next one, number 2. In number 2, see that L, M, N, two lines are there and N is the transversal here. So you have to find the x. And x is the alternate here. Okay. X is the alternate. Okay. So that means this angle equals to this angle. So this equals to also 100 degree. Okay. Next one. This L and M are two lines, N is a transversal here, and this one 1 1 0. That means this we are going to find. So this also is alternate angle. That means this is also 110 degree. Now go to the next one. Now in 481, see that one angle is given 70 degree in the L and you have to find the x. In many methods you can find this angle. I am saying one of them. Okay. Now see that this is 70 degree. So that means this equals to 110. Why? Because these two angles are in linear pair. So if these two angles are in linear pair, that means this addition is 180. So 180 minus 70, this is 110. And this is alternate angle. This angle and this angle are alternate angle. That means this is 110. Clear? Now you can choose another method. So what is the method? The method is, see that if this angle is 70, that means this angle also 70 degree. Okay. Now this angle is 70 means this is linear pair. So this is 110 because this angle plus this angle equals to 180. So 180 minus 70, this is 110. You can choose any one method for solving this sum. Now go to the next. See that in 482 and 483, one angle is given 120 degree. Clear? So now this angle and this angle are in linear pair. So that means total angle is 180. So 120 degree and this is 180 minus 120 degree. That means 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Now this angle and this angle are alternate angle. Okay. That means this also 60 degree. If these two are 60 degree, then this equals to this. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. So x equals to 60 degree. Okay. X equals to 60 degree. Because vertically opposite angle. Write the properties or the conditions we are using. Okay. This angle equals to this angle equals to 60 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Now go to the next. Number 3, see that this angle is given 70 degree and you have to find this x. So now this angle 70 degree and this angle are vertically opposite angle. Okay. If I write angle 1 equals to 70 degree angle 1 equals to 70 degree. If this is 2, then angle 2 equals to also 70 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now see that angle 2, if this is angle 3 and I am writing angle 4, x equals to angle 4. So now angle 3 equals to angle 2. Why? Because alternate angle. Okay. So angle 2 equals to angle 3, that is alternate angle. So we can write angle 3 equals to 70 degree. Clear? Now angle 3 equals to angle 4. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. See that? Angle 3 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. So angle 3 equals to angle 4. That means angle 4 equals to also 70 degree. Clear? So this equals to 70 degree. Now go to the next. Now in 5A 1, 2, 3, see that in number 1 figure, this angle is given 180. Okay, you have to find the y and x. So see that this angle and this angle are in linear pair. So we can write here y equals to 100. Why 100? Because 180 minus 80. This is 100. Clear? When this angle is 100, that means this angle also 100. Why? Because corresponding angle. So this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. That's why this equals to this. Now similarly linear pair, this and this are in linear pair. That means 180 minus 100, this is 80. So here x equals to 80 degree and y equals to 100 degree. Now go to the next. In number 2 figure, see that 70 is given and you have to find the x and y. So these and these are in vertically opposite angle. So x equals to 70 degree. Very easy. Now if this is 70 degree, that means this also 70. Why? Because this angle and this angle are alternate angle. If this alternate angle, then this and this are in linear pair. Okay. So that means y equals to, we can write 180 minus 70. This is 110. Now in number 3, see that this angle is given 55. So this is 55 means this angle also 55. Why? Because alternate angle and x and y are in linear pair. So 180 minus 55, this is 125 degree. So x equals to 55 degree and y equals to 125 degree. In number 6, see that L and M are two lines and you have to find x, y, z here. Now in the given figure, you have to find the x, y, z. So see that we know that this is a straight line. That means the value is 180 degree. That means this and this plus this equals to 180. So z plus 30 degree plus 80 degree equals to 180 degree. So z plus 110 equals to 180 degree. So that means z equals to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. So z equals to 70 degree. Now in the figure, y and z are in alternate angle. That means angle z equals to angle y. Why? Because alternate angle. So if alternate angle is this, then we can write here angle y equals to 70 degree. Clear? So if angle y equals to 70 degree here, now this is a given triangle. So in the triangle, two angles are given, 30 and 70, and you have to find another one, that means subtract from 180. So 30 plus 70, this is 100, and this is 180. So 180 minus 100, this is 80. Clear? Now, if this is 80, then this angle and this angle are in linear pair. So that means 180 minus 80, this is 100. So x equals to 100 degree. So x equals to 180 minus 80 equals to 100 degree, because this is linear pair. Okay? Linear pair. This is 6/1. Now in 6/2, see that in the given figure, two angles are given, 45 degree and 30 degree, and you have to find x, y and z. So see that in 30 degrees, see that this angle and this angle are alternate angle. Okay? So this equals to 30. So z equals to, you can write 30. Now y or z in linear pair. So you can write y plus z equals to 180. So that means y plus 30 equals to 180. That means y equals to 150. So y equals to 150 here. Now the remaining is x. Now see that if this angle is 45, then this angle is also 45. Why? Because these are in vertical opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. And this angle equals to this angle. Why? Because these are in alternate angle. That means this is equals to 45. If this equals to 45, then we can say that this angle and this angle are in linear pair. Okay. So we can say that x plus 45 equals to 180. So that means x equals to 180 minus 45. That is 135 degree. So x equals to 135 degree, y equals to 150 degree, and z equals to 30 degree. Now go to the next. Now 6/3, see that x, y, z you have to find. One angle is given, this is 40 degree. Now if this is 40 degree, then this equals to 40 degree because this is a vertically opposite angle. If this 40, this means this equals to 40 degree. Why? Because it is alternate angle. Now this and this equals to 180 because in linear pair. So angle x equals to, we can write 180 minus 40, that is 140 degree. Now if this is 140 degree, now this and this is alternate angle. This equals to 140. That means y equals to 180 minus 140, that is 40 degree. So y equals to also 40 degree. Y equals to also 40 degree. If y equals to 40 degree, then see that this and this are in alternate angle. This and this are alternate angle. So this equals to 40. If this two are 40, then z equals to 180 minus 40 degree. This equals to 140 degree. Okay, so x equals to 140 degree, y equals to 40 degree, and z equals to 140 degree. Now go to the next one. Now in number 7, see that in the given figure, L, M, N are two lines and N is the transversal over there. And one line, this is drawn which is the bisector of this line. Now we have to find the value of the x. Okay. So n is the bisector of this line. N line is the bisector of this line. So that means angle BPR is bisected by this n. So this is given 120. That means angle P equals to 120. Why? Because these are in alternate angle. So angle P equals to 120, and similarly this total angle, that means angle BPR is 180 minus 120, that means 60 degree. So angle BPR equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. Okay, so BPR equals to 60 degree means this is bisected. So x equals to half of BPR. Okay, so x equals to half of BPR. Why? Because this is bisected. So this equals to half into 60. That is half into 60 means this is 30 degree. So the x equals to 30 degree is the answer. So this is the exercise 2C. Now, thank you all of you. Please listen or see this video properly. If any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. Bye.